If you've ever had to edit a PDF before and didn't know where to start, or you are not ready to pay for expensive software that could help you do that, this video is for you. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Philip. Today we are diving into a super handy topic that will make your digital life easier, and that is free PDF editors. We will be exploring two of the best free PDF editors out there, and I will also give you a quick look at how they work. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get into it. First off, let's start with PDF24. PDF24 is a versatile free PDF editor that comes with a lot of features. Head over to PDF24 website and you will see this clean, user-friendly interface that shows you different PDF solutions. Right on this website, you can do a lot of stuff with your PDF files. You can edit PDF files, you can merge PDF files, you can split PDF files, and we will see the full functionalities in a bit. Another interesting thing about PDF24 is that it also has a desktop app version where you can download PDF24 and use it offline right from your system. Now let's look at the whole functionalities of PDF24. Click on All Tools, then you will be directed to this page. Right on this page, you can see frequent tools that people use. Also, you can see some other tools that you can access right on PDF24. You can also convert from another file format to PDF, and you can also convert from PDF to other file formats. You can also search for any issues you are facing with your PDF and search right on Google using this term shown here. Then you will land right on this page. You can use this small download button to download PDF24 also, and use this other theme button to change your view. With PDF24, you can search for any issues you are facing. Let's say, for instance, I want to put a watermark on my PDF. I can simply search for watermark and the watermark tool will come up. Then I can now click on it to put watermark on my PDF. Or let's say, for instance, I want to lock a particular PDF with password. I can search for password and the tool to do that will come up. Same as if you want to unlock a PDF with this other tool. Now, the next on our list is PDF Gear. PDF Gear is a robust PDF editing platform that offers a lot of features too. The most interesting thing about PDF Gear is that it comes with AI-enabled feature that can help you chat with your PDF files. That is, you can just simply write some simple query to know more about the content of your PDF even without reading it manually. And as you can see, PDF Gear also comes with a lot of tools. It comes in different operating system versions, so you can download it for Windows, for Mac OS, and also for iOS. You can use it on your mobile phone. Now for the tools, you can edit PDF, you can split, you can add signature, either electronic signature or any other form of signature. You can also annotate, you can merge and do a lot of stuff with PDF Gear. Now let us look at the full functionalities of PDF Gear. Now, to download PDF Gear, you can simply come to this download button, click on the download button, and it will download automatically to your system. Now, let's do a quick tutorial. Go to PDF24. What we are going to do with PDF24 is that we are going to split a PDF file. So you click on the split PDF. Once you click on it, you will see it will direct you to this page where you can choose the PDF file you want to split. Click on the choose file, then it will load up your PDF file. After a while, it will process it and you click on split. Then you wait for a few minutes for it to split the PDF. It will process it for a few minutes. Then after that, you will see the result and download your PDF that has been splitted to your system right from PDF24. You can use this, you can do this either offline or online depending on the version you are using. As you can see here now, it has processed our PDF file and all we have to do is just to click the download button. Now we are going to merge the PDF files that have been splitted with PDF24 with PDF Gear. Now go to your product and click on merge PDF. Now right on this page, all you have to do is to choose your files. So you click on this to choose the files, check the arrangement if they are properly arranged. Then after checking through and you are sure of the arrangement, all you have to do is just to click on merge PDF. So you wait for the PDF files to upload. Then after uploading the PDF file, the system will process the files, then give you the result. As you can see on the screen, all you have to do now is just to download the merged file. Let's test the chat feature on PDF Gear. All you have to do is open up your PDF file, then write a simple prompt or query for what you want. For me, I want the AI to give me 2 codes from this book or this PDF file, and let's see what comes up. Click on send and you wait for the result. So can you see that it gave me these codes and they are perfect for what I intend to use it for. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials like this. Drop a comment below and let me know your favorite PDF tool or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Peace.